Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In Senses 5, our world unfolds so wide. A tapestry of life. Sounds we glide. With eyes, we see the colors of the morn. Hear the whispers of the breeze, reborn. With touch, we grasp the warmth of sunlit rays. Taste flavors sweet, in nature's grand ballet. In sense, we find the flower's fragrant bloom. Listen to the heart, in silence, in the room. Yet deeper still, a knowing from within. A gut feeling, where instinct does begin. A sixth sense stirs, perception finely tuned. In quietude, the universe, we do commune. In Senses 5, and instincts deep and vast. Our world's expansiveness, forever will it last. A symphony of life, in every breath we take. In senses and in instincts, fully awake. Integration of senses is a perceptual ability that enables individuals to combine information from various sensory modalities to form a unified and meaningful perception of their environment. It involves the seamless coordination of sensory inputs from different senses, such as sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, to create a holistic understanding of the world around us. This process allows us to experience the richness of our surroundings by integrating the visual, sight, auditory, hearing, tactile, touch, gustatory, taste, and olfactory, smell, information into a cohesive and comprehensive sensory perception. Integration of senses plays a vital role in our everyday experiences. It enhances our ability to navigate and interact with the world, making our perceptual experiences more immersive and insightful. It's important to emphasize that these generalizations about left and right brain functions are oversimplifications. The left and right hemispheres of the brain are responsible for various functions and have different areas of influence. While it's essential to note that the brain works as an integrated whole, with both hemispheres communicating and collaborating, there are certain generalizations about the functions associated with each hemisphere. Left brain functions. Language processing. The left hemisphere is often associated with language-related functions, including speech production and writing abilities, language comprehension, and reading, logic and analytical thinking. It tends to excel in logical reasoning, mathematical skills, problem solving, and critical thinking. The left brain is more analytical and structured in its approach. Sequential processing. It is proficient at processing information in a sequential and organized manner. This makes it suitable for tasks that require step-by-step procedures and linear processing. Fine motor skills. The left hemisphere is linked to fine motor skills, which involve precise and coordinated movements. Math and science. It is often involved in mathematical calculations, scientific analysis, and data interpretation. Right brain functions. Spatial aptitude refers to the ability to comprehend, rationalize, and recall the visual and spatial relationships between objects or recognize shapes, patterns, and objects in the world around you. It's like being good at puzzles and quickly finding hidden objects in pictures. Mental folding means you can mentally fold or unfold shapes in your imagination. It's like picturing how a piece of paper would look when you fold it in different ways without actually folding it in real life. Mental rotation. Mental rotation is all about mentally turning or spinning objects in your mind's eye. It's like imagining how an object would appear from different angles without actually physically moving it. Spatial visualization is the skill of imagining and playing with objects or shapes in your mind's eye. Think of it as the ability to picture how a 3D puzzle piece fits into a complex puzzle without actually touching it. These above listed spatial abilities help us to make sense of and interact with the physical world, whether it's finding our way around, solving visual puzzles, or enjoying creative activities like drawing and building. Creativity and imagination, it plays a crucial role in creative thinking, artistic expression, and imagination. It contributes to innovative and nonlinear problem solving. Emotional processing, the right brain is involved in recognizing and processing emotions, both in oneself and in others. It contributes to empathy and emotional intelligence. Pattern recognition, it excels in recognizing patterns, whether they are in visual art, music, or complex systems. This ability aids in holistic understanding. Holistic processing, the right hemisphere tends to process information in a more holistic, simultaneous manner, considering the overall picture rather than focusing on individual details. Nonverbal communication, it is responsible for nonverbal cues such as facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice in communication. Relying on implicit knowledge and experiences. In reality, most cognitive functions involve the collaboration of both hemispheres, and individual differences vary significantly. The brain's complexity and adaptability make it difficult to attribute specific functions exclusively to one hemisphere. Nevertheless, understanding these general tendencies can provide insights into how the brain processes information and contributes to our cognitive abilities. In the tapestry of life, both seen and unseen, lies the essence of our existence, a vibrant dream. Collective consciousness, a river flowing wide, guides humanity's journey, seeking balance to abide. From the depths of our souls to the farthest stars gleam. Bound by a force, it is an eternal theme. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.